Hello and welcome back. Now with this design, we will make our interface like this. First of all, we will make a new app. We start a code beta and we quit new project by Command Shift N. Okay, we choose single view application and we make this task like timer. You can save this to the desktop if you want. Okay. Now do you remember? We will add more target to this. Okay. We choose iOS, Apple Watch, WatchKit, WhatsApp extension, and we don't need notification or glance send in here. Finish. Okay. Now we have interface storyboard of WhatsApp here, and we have to choose the timer WhatsApp stream in here. Okay. Now we run to check. Nothing show up. Stop and rerun again. Okay, now we see the clock in here and the output in here. Okay, now we have to set up our interface like this. We need a timer, label, and 2 buttons. I will put this timer to one group and this label to one group and 2 buttons in the one group. Okay. Reset group in here, another group and another group. Okay. Now we put this label and we can change the property of this label and group in here. The width is relative to container, height we choose relative to container and set it to 0.2. Okay, and the label we make it to the center and center. We set it to the timer and set the party text system bow. Okay, we make it a little bigger. Okay, now with the other label to this group and same. I set it to relative to container of the group. You can see in here 06, 05, 06. Okay. Label is center and the center width and height is set to content 0.0. Okay. Now we set this text to the bigger a little bit. Okay, we change the color of this text to yellow. Okay, and with another group we will set the button inside that group. 2 buttons. We can set 2 buttons at the same time. The width is relative to container and set to 0.5. Okay. Now we will set this button with background. First of all, we remove the name in here and just remove it. Okay. Now we will need a play button in here and stop button in here, as you can see in this. Okay. For icon, I think we can search on the Google. Play icon. You can sit anywhere on the Google, or you can do the icon by yourself by using Photoshop or whatever you like. Okay. I usually using icon finder. You can search some free icon on here. For example, I will search a play here. You can see in here some we have to pay for that. Some icon we have to pay for that, but we can choose free in here, and you can see this beautiful icon. You can search on here a lot of icon. Okay, I already prepared for you some icon in here. Play, stop, pause. You can download in this lecture if you want, or you can use just. Okay, further we keep it icon to our project. We keep in here to copy, and timer WatchKit attention to finish. You can put it in the one group here. Okay. Okay, now in the interface we can choose a background, we can choose a play, and this we can choose a stop. Now we have to run to check. Oh, we didn't see the play and stop button because we already put the image in here. We can change it to this image cassette here. Okay, and interface we have to set it to the play, and now we stop. Okay, but you see we have a little bigger. Okay, now we have to make it smaller. In here, size to fit content related to content. Choose 0.2. So it's smaller. Okay, let's run and check. Okay, now it's perfect. We don't have this the interface as we designed before. Okay, in next lecture I will help you to hook this to our interface controller and how to make a function for this application run. Okay, see you later.